Welcome. This video will show you the steps involved in adding documents, assets, and other media to the Web Office using the Web Office admin. With the Resources page, your company can upload corporate-approved content to a library available to the associates in their Web Office that they can share with their downline and prospective customers. Let's get started by logging into the Web Office admin. In order to configure this feature, the user's role needs to have View and Edit enabled for the Documents and Media page. Clicking the Documents and Media tab in the Content Management section will navigate you to the Resources page. This page is where you add categories and subcategories that will help organize uploaded resources. To add a new category or subcategory, click the Add New button and select the appropriate option. Or you can click the Add New buttons directly in the Resources list. This will open the associated pop-up. For categories, all you need to do is give it a name. Once an entry is added, you can add translations by clicking the Translation button. The options available are the languages configured to your company. For subcategories, give it a name, and then choose which category it will be organized under. After all this is complete, click the Save button. You cannot publish either a category or subcategory until a resource has been published within it. To add a resource, click the Add Resource button. The only required fields to complete in this pop-up are the title and resources fields. The other sections help to provide additional information and allow for deeper customizations to personalize the experience for your associates. Give the resource a title and add a description that will display internally to instruct your associates on the purpose and use of the resource. You can add a message that will display when the resource is shared externally via social media or email. The resource dropdown has 3 options to choose from. With the Upload New File option, press the Click to Select File area to upload a resource file from your computer, or drag and drop the file into the area from your computer's Finder dialog box. The file needs to be less than 50 megabytes to upload. If your resource is hosted in a cloud-based app or in your own CMS with a public URL, then use the Enter File URL option that allows you to type the resource file's URL into the field. Links must begin with the HTTPS format. If you want a resource to be directly embedded into the page, such as a video, choose the Enter Embed Code option. On the site where your video is being hosted, copy the embed code and paste it into the embed code field. The preview image will display when an associate uses social media options to share the document. Clicking the Preview Image dropdown reveals 2 options: the Upload New Image option and Enter Image URL. Use the same process as before to add your preview image. The image needs to be at least 600 by 600 pixels in a JPEG or PNG file that is less than 50 megabytes to upload. Choose which category and subcategory the resource falls under. The rest of the settings are Multi-Faceted Configuration, or MFC. These settings allow you to customize this feature in a variety of ways, such as customizing its display based on an associate's country, language, user type, status, and rank. MFC can even customize the time limit of when the feature begins and ends, or have it always display. In the Custom Configurations field, you can configure this feature to display by adding variable strings related to an associate's data. Click the Learn How tab to see a Help Center resource for help on how to write the syntax. You can click the Publish toggle now to publish immediately after saving, or you can publish later within the resources list. Click the Save button, then refresh the page. The resource appears in the resources list within its category and/or subcategory, where it can be edited and deleted. Once the resource is published, both the category and subcategory will automatically be published. Click and drag items in the list to change the order they will appear in the WebOffice Documents and Media page. Let's see how an associate uses the feature in the WebOffice. Clicking the Documents and Media tab in the Tools section will take you to the Documents and Media page. Here, associates will see the library of resources, organized in their categories and subcategories. When a resource is clicked, a slider page appears from the right. An associate can view the document by clicking the View button. They can also share the document with their team, customers, or prospects with a variety of share options. The copy link allows you to paste the share site's direct link to any other social app. The share site allows for the resource to be viewed externally, making it a helpful tool for associates to distribute company-approved resources, and can give customers easy access to an associate's contact information and e-commerce site. You can edit the background image that displays in the branding section of the WebOffice admin. The Send to Team option shares the resource through the WebOffice's internal messaging feature, while the Send to Email option will open your preferred email tool and add the message there to be sent. Finally, the social media links create a new post on the selected social media site. You now know how to add documents and media to the WebOffice admin, giving your associates helpful corporate approved content and the tools for success. For more in-depth videos, tutorials, and how-to guides, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com. And thanks for watching.